You want to redo your kitchen and you think, hey, this is probably going to cost 20, 30, 40, 50,000. Paige is going to show you how to redo your kitchen for under $1,000 and make it look like a new kitchen. Welcome to the Landis Look, where we take an inside look at the world of real estate. And today we're going to take a look at how to redo a kitchen for literally less than $1,000. Paige, thanks for being here.
Yeah, happy to be here.
All right, so Paige, you just bought a new house and you were planning to redo the kitchen. What was the original plan?
So the original plan was to switch out the countertops. They were a brown laminate. So we were going to do the quartz countertops, switch out the electric stove to a gas stove. We were going to switch out the white hood and the white dishwasher to stainless steel. We were going to switch out the stainless steel sink to the white farmhouse sink and have the cabinets refinished, as well as all new hardware, and then have the kitchen painted by a professional was the original plan.
That sounds great. It does not sound like that would cost $1,000. It seems like it might cost a little bit more than that.
A little bit.
So you opted not to go that route, but you still wanted to do something to the kitchen. So what are you doing? What are you actually doing?
Yep. So, our plan is to be in this home for at least 5 to 6 years. So I was thinking, what can we do that just for a couple years will, fake it till you make it, and it'll be happy for us to live in. So what I ended up doing was doing all the work ourselves, first of all, not except for, installing anything plumbing related. But I did a DIY marble refinish on the countertops. The brand is called Gianni. You can get it on Amazon for $175, and they send you this whole kit and instructions on how to do it. And it basically makes your countertops look like they are real marble.
Wow.
You can do it all yourself. It takes a weekend and you can knock it out. We painted all of the cabinets ourselves, or in the process of doing so, all new hardware that we just picked out ourselves. There is a stainless steel paint that you can paint on the dishwasher and the hood to make it look like it is stainless steel, but it actually is not.
Wow. Are you serious?
Absolutely. They are, so repainting the cabinets, repainting the countertops. We opted, instead of the farmhouse sink, to go for a stainless steel sink, just a nicer one. We are going to be painting the grout. You can just stain it just a little bit so it has that dark grout that's in right now. Adding some home decor flair. And then one thing that really helped us is having a friend in the interior design industry. So she was able to find a gas range for us that had been dented and offered it to us for $100.
Wow. So that's a nice hookup. And there's a tip, is to use the connections you have for sure, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. She helped us out with the sink, with the range, and also with paint color choices, because that's, and I've got lots of clients who are asking, what kind of paint color should I use? And I think that having an interior design friend is always beneficial there, because I was a little lost as well. It can get very overwhelming. So having that hookup is nice.
And so, Paige, the end result of this, how would you compare it to what you were picturing in your mind it was going to be?
As far as look-wise, it's not going to be that different, especially from just walking in, or, at first glance, or just, having just a friend over or two. They're not going to notice that much of a difference. But for us, it's saving us literal thousands of dollars.
Yeah. So we went from a project that, yes, thousands of dollars, lots of thousands, down to under $1,000, and you've completely changed how the kitchen looks. I think one thing that people might be wondering is, how much time are you putting into doing this? What would you mean from an estimate standpoint? How much time do you think it would take to do this project yourself?
I think that if you had 2 weekends to dedicate, you can knock it out. The counters, I would dedicate 1 weekend, and same with the cabinets and the other home decor 1 weekend. We have an 8-month-old, so we've been trying to squeeze in pockets of time wherever we can find it. So it's been taking us a little bit longer, but I think if you have the full time to dedicate just 2 weekends, you can knock it out.
So Paige, thanks so much. Under $1,000 to do this kitchen, saved big time money, only taking a couple weekends worth of work. You're doing it with an 8-month-old. So if anybody out there thinks they have an excuse, they don't. And so we really appreciate it, Paige. We'll drop those links for some of these products in the comments below. If you have any specific questions, send us a message. I'm sure Paige would love to help you. And who doesn't love to save money, right, Paige?
Absolutely. Save it where you can.
Definitely. All right. Well, thanks for watching, y'all. We will see you again next week.